Welcome back to our channel, Christian Church Stages. Today, I'm super excited to share an amazing Christmas stage design with all the details on this fantastic project. This beautiful set design comes from Boak at Vaughn Forest Church located right here in Montgomery, Alabama. Every year, they create a wonderful intention set for their Christmas celebrations, and it never fails to capture people's attention. The thought behind this particular setup is that even with physical distance between fellow church members, we can still feel like one big happy family inside those four walls. And what better way than creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere? This simple yet elegant design does just magic by maintaining 6 feet of social distancing while making sure everyone has a warm spot to worship during these special times. Now let me walk you through the materials used. A wooden frame as the base structure which will hold all your decorations together. Corrugated tin sheets in sizes 12 foot 2 inches wide and 24 inch long, or 8 foot 2 inches wide and 24 inch long for added texture and depth on top of this beautiful woodwork. Incandescent C9 Christmas lights draped over it with an incredible effect that makes them appear more numerous due partly because they're hung only about 2 feet apart from one another, giving off such warmth without breaking bank either, since we didn't go too crazy buying lots expensive stuff here today. Folks, trust us when say simple yet effective really does work wonders sometimes, especially considering how easy it was putting everything up, thanks largely volunteers who worked tirelessly behind scenes making sure every detail fell perfectly into place within record time, no less than just afternoon job done efficiently well. Now I know some might wonder what kind materials needed exactly, so let me break down list real quick before moving forward. Wooden frame, obviously first thing you need. Build attached tin siding onto, then comes incandescent C9 strings lights draped over top those corrugated sheets. Artificial Christmas trees ranging heights 7.5 feet 10 foot tall placed strategically around space, along with polyfill batting used to create snow mounds underneath them, giving whole scene. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.